Okay, so we are going to look at how to create a subdomain. We're going to look at how to create a subdomain. So let's explain. Let me explain how important a subdomain is. You see, for instance, you have a domain name, and that domain name is www.freebooks.com. Now, this is just one domain name that can have lots of several pages, but it is just one domain name. So let's say on this domain name you just have list of free books on this website, several list of free books. Then let's say you want to create another you want to create like your own blog. Normally if you want to create another blog, you have to get another domain name. That means you have to purchase another domain name, if possible purchase another hosting and do all that. But see, a subdomain allows you to use just this single domain name. Are you getting me? But you have like another domain name that utilizes this domain name. What do I mean? Let's say I want to create a blog but still retain this my domain name. I don't want to buy another domain name or buy another hosting plan. Still use this domain name, this freebooks.com domain name. I can create something like another website. I get me, like another domain, another website using this freebooks.com. How? www. It will become like this: www.blog.freebooks.com. You see, if you look at both of them, they are like, but these are two different websites. But these two different websites utilizes this domain name, freebooks.com. So I'm utilizing this freebooks.com domain name to create something like another website, another totally different website that I can give separate design, install a separate WordPress on. I get what I'm saying now. So this one can be your blog. You do different blog, you post different blogs here, and here you just have your free books that you want people to download, or any other thing you want to do. It's your call. You can make this one an e-commerce website. You can make this one your blog. For instance, there are lots of companies that do this. For instance, or lots of e-commerce store. For instance, you have a store called freshfoods.com. Now this is one website, but what if I create another website where, okay, on this website you have your store where you sell fresh foods, but what if I want to create another website, other websites, I just want to just create blogs about fresh foods. Like this blog will help me promote the importance of fresh foods, help me promote all it is about fresh foods. So I can name that blog www.blog.freshfoods.com, and it will still utilize this same domain name. But like a different website. But I'm not paying for two different domain names. I'm not paying for two different hosting. I'm using the same domain name, freshfoods.com, but I've created something called a subdomain that acts like another website, although it is not another website. So let's see how to create subdomains. Now you are still using HostGator. So just go to your HostGator site, your HostGator portal, which is portal.hostgator.com, portal.hostgator.com. So let's go to portal.hostgator.com. Let's see how we create another subdomain. So go to launch cPanel. Launch your cPanel. Now, this is your cPanel. You go down to domains. you go down to domains. You go down to domains. This is it. Then you click on subdomains. You see, create subdomain. So I put this subdomain. I want to call it blog. You see, it's now blog. You see it now. See the rules now. It now becomes blog.growupinc.com. Growupinc.com was my original site. I get me. Was my original site. I was using to do my landing pages, my sales page, my opt-in page. But I want to add a blog to it where I will just use to just do only blogging. It becomes blog.growupinc.com. Now I'd say create. See, success. blog.growupinc.com has been created. You see, and that is all. Now I have another site called blog.growupinc.com. I've created it now. Let's go back to domains. It has been created already. Let's go back to domains. This is domains. Okay, now let's install WordPress on that new subdomain I just created. Click WordPress installer. Install now. You see, click on install now. Come here, select growupinc.com. So this is it. This is what I'm installing WordPress on. See, my WordPress blog. That is it. Admin account, admin, password. You choose go to admin account, choose your admin username. I just choose admin. Password. I do I choose my own password. Sorry. I choose the password. I can still change my email, but let's just leave this at this. English language, everything, and then I just click on install. So now I'm actually installing it now. Okay, I think I've done this before. Let me check something. Let me just check something. I think I've done this before. Okay, yes, I've done this before. So it's ready. So I think mine didn't show because I've done it before. But if you haven't done yours before, it will show. You actually just click on install. Once you click on install, you wait for a few minutes and then it will be installed. And by doing so, you've done what? You've created your own new subdomain that you can operate like you normally operate your normal WordPress site. And that is all. Yes, that is all. So you've created your own personal subdomain.